let's talk about some fine lines and wrinkles. Or maturity. We could call it maturity. Alright, starting out every day, you need to moisturize. Bottom line, that's the first thing. If your makeup's not looking quite right or it looks kind of cakey, you're probably not hydrating. You want to hydrate from the inside and the outside. So make sure you're drinking your water. I'm not so good at that. But you want to make sure you're moisturizing. And moisturize at night too, because that will be, see, daytime, nighttime. And I can help you if you're looking for a skincare line. Our skincare is completely customizable, but start there, okay? Then, our Mattifying Primer. This is amazing. It's new. It's my favorite. We have 3 primers. It's not going to dry you out, so it's not like it's just for oily skin. It's for all skin types. 1 pump. And what this is going to do is it's going to help just kind of blur the fine lines and wrinkles. Some of us have, you see I'm focusing on the major lines first. Some of us spent our whole life surprised, like me apparently. So I have a lot on my forehead, but then I'm getting them all over now, right? Welcome to aging. So I obviously moisturized before I started this, so don't think I skipped my moisture. I did not. Alright. Then, picking the right foundation. So if you're really struggling with the lines, you want something that's going to sit up on top of your skin. My favorite is the stick foundation. It's a wax-based. Don't let that scare you. It's not going to cause breakouts and all that. All that means is it's sitting on top of your pores and lines to give that effect that you have less lines and wrinkles. Now over time, if you're using proper skincare, there are things that will help correct some of that, but this is for the day, right? Getting ready, we just don't want to see them all. Super easy to use, super convenient. If you have really oily skin, you could use like our liquid foundation, which I have over here, but I don't know where I put it. Anyways, but this is going to help the most with the lines, so that's the one I love. It's going to leave you with kind of a satin finish, not a real wet looking, but if you don't like that and you want more of a matte finish, you can always finish off with our setting powder. Super easy. Just draw it on, right? Super beautiful. And then I recommend the Kabuki brush. You could use another brush, you could use your hands. My biggest issue with using your fingers is you're not going to get the full coverage, like it's not going to be even. So, and the Kabuki brush is a flat brush. You might already have a Kabuki brush, but this gives the best coverage, in my opinion. Okay? Oh, I hate when it does that. I think I got too close. Not that close. And I just kind of stipple. Just dab, dab, dab. You don't want to like do brush strokes, right? Because that will make it have brush strokes. I just blend that right into the hairline. We don't want any lines. If you need help color matching, let me know. That's, oh, I did it again. I hate that so much. Sorry, I shouldn't say that word. I don't like my kid to use it, but I say it. Then just blend it down into your neck. We don't want that infamous line showing where your foundation stops. Alright. Ta-da! Super easy. Doesn't fall into lines. Doesn't show my pores. That's it. And of course, these ones are a different story. But if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, have a super great day.